BANDELIN has for generations been a manufacturer of high-performance ultrasound equipment for medicine, industry and laboratories. A wide range of products as well as accessories enables optimal sample preparation for reproducible results. The ultrasonic systems are used for homogenizing food samples, producing stable emulsions with finest droplet distribution, degassing of carbonated samples prior to ingredient analysis, as well as for fast dispersion of fine powders. Cell disruption can also be carried out selectively up to the desired degree of disintegration. In professional circles, our brands are equated with ultrasound. Already 79 patents and utility models are proof of our outstanding innovative capabilities. The continuous development of our products and applications has not only made us the market leader, but also allowed us to set the norms and standards for all ultrasonic applications in various committees. The large vertical range of manufacture and the multiple certified quality management ensures the highest reliability and durability of our products. BANDELIN, high-power ultrasonic cleaning, intensive and reliable.